river destroyed the Chinese bridge. Villages were submerged in up to 6 meters of water. The Beijing-Tianjin-Hebei region recently experienced an unprecedented deluge of heavy rainfall, causing major damage. Persistent severe rainstorms, caused by the remnants of a typhoon, have lashed the region since Saturday. In response, local authorities have launched massive rescue and relief efforts. According to official reports, more than 540,000 people in Hebei province have been severely affected by the relentless downpour. Normally, the Hebei province experiences an average annual rainfall of 137.4 millimeters. However, during this time, several cities faced an onslaught of unusually intense precipitation. The city of Beijing City bore the brunt of the torrential rain, with a staggering 350 millimeters, followed closely by Daking City with 319.7 millimeters. The unrelenting rainfall caused the water levels in rivers to surge drastically, with the Zhang River, Seeu River, Daking River, Yongding River, and Bison River Cyston collectively receiving over 400 million cubic meters of water in just 3 days. Of particular concern were the Seeu River, Yongding River, and Bison River, which received substantial influence from the capital city Beijing, contributing to a total of 142 flooding incidents along the main river channel. As the situation intensified, authorities took swift action to protect lives and property in an attempt to prevent further damage. 20 large and medium-sized reservoirs in Hebei province activated their flood discharge systems, releasing excess water during nighttime hours to alleviate pressure on already swollen rivers and mitigate the risk of breaches. Among the cities deeply affected was Zhuozhou, a county-level city managed by Daking in Hebei province, known for its extensive river network. Zhuozhou was particularly vulnerable to the torrential downhill. On the evening of July 2031, local authorities declared a red warning and announced a state of emergency for flood control as all rivers in the area reached alarming levels. Subsequently, water levels surged, wreaking havoc in numerous areas. By the early hours of August 1, the floodwaters surged beyond control, causing severe inundation throughout Zhuozhou. In the west of the city, Dalma Village and Taoying Street recorded water depths exceeding 4 meters, submerging homes and displacing families. In addition, the parking lot of a residential building in Zhuozhou had collapsed, while rainwater continued to flood some of the lower floors in the southwestern part of Zhuozhou. A warehouse suffered severe damage, with water and electricity supply interrupted and roads rendered impassable. The floodwaters reached a height of 2 meters, causing extensive destruction and drenching all stored books in the warehouse. In response to the widespread devastation, authorities in Hebei province promptly established 7 flood storage and detention areas across various regions. These areas, including Mingjinbu, Doggies, Xiaoqingqi, Languai, Dongting, Christian flooded area, and Yongding River flooded area, provided essential relief and safety for approximately 847,400 residents who were evacuated from high-risk areas. Unfortunately, neighboring Shaanxi province also bore the brunt of torrential rains, adding to the region's woes. As of 7 p.m. on Monday, a total of 42,211 individuals had been evacuated in Shaanxi province as local authorities prioritized safeguarding lives and ensuring the well-being of residents amid the hazardous weather conditions. The situation remains precarious as authorities continue to grapple with the aftermath of the heavy rainfall, striving to provide relief and support to communities facing the brunt of these events. With recovery efforts underway, residents and relief workers remain on high alert, battling the rising waters and striving to restore normalcy to the affected areas.